Yemen, in absolute terms, is the second highest caseload of children, malnourished children. It also means that Yemen is the second highest caseload of people who are not able to reach health services. This is absolute numbers, not percentages. It's the third highest number of food insecure people in the world. So we are looking at a massive humanitarian situation. The airstrikes on the harbour are particularly concerning. Yemen imports approximately 80% of its foodstuffs. So if Hudaydah harbour is disabled, that means that the whole of the population of northern Yemen, which is about 65 to 70% of the population, will be in increased humanitarian need. Yesterday, I was at the airport when the airstrikes destroyed the air traffic control, killed the staff who were working there, and injured my UNHAS crew member, colleague, who was there with the flight. And the airstrikes landed approximately 300 meters away from where Director General Tedros was and myself. There was one airstrike approximately 300 meters to the south of us, and about another airstrike about 300 meters to the north of us. What was most frightening about that airstrike wasn't the effect on us, is that the airstrikes took place as a civilian airliner from Yemen Air, carrying hundreds of Yemenis, was about to land. And in fact, that airliner from Yemen Air was landing, taxiing in when the air traffic control was destroyed. Fortunately, that plane was able to land safely, and the passengers were able to disembark. Sanaa Airport has not been a military target since 2016. I was in Yemen at the beginning of the conflict, and I remember the day when all of the military capacities were destroyed at Sanaa Airport, and that was 9 years ago. Right? And Sanaa Airport has been subsequently repeatedly bombed over for many years. So it's a civilian location. It is used by the United Nations. It's used by the International Committee for the Red Cross. It is used for civilian flights. That is its purpose. And so all parties to the conflict have an obligation to respect the civilian nature of that facility and to observe international humanitarian law. The responsibility is on them.